Hi, this is Gloria Shirley, digital learning coach, and this tutorial is about how to use Brainpop inside of Canvas. So I'm going to navigate to my modules here and open up this new assignment called Brainpop. Get into edit mode, and then I will put my navigation instructions here, and then I'll just return down and tell Canvas where to put the Brainpop. So I'm going to scroll down here under submission type. I will go to external tool and click on find, and I'm going to select Brainpop. You can see it puts this URL here, so that's exactly what I want. Scroll down and click save. So now you can see it's embedded Brainpop right here inside of Canvas. You can tell, again, your students, give them directions to navigate inside here. And if I click on science, then I can go in deeper and figure out where my teacher wants me to go. So that's how to use Brainpop inside of Canvas. Thank you.